Hey, so if you want to write emails faster, reply professionally, or manage inbox tasks easily, yeah, Google Gemini inside Gmail can save you a lot of time. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Google Gemini in Gmail in 2026. First thing, open Gmail and sign in with your Google account. Make sure you're using the updated interface. Next, click Compose to start a new email. So, this is where Gemini can help you write faster. All right? Use Gemini to generate your email. I mean, you can type a prompt like write a professional email to a client. Now improve your draft. You can ask Gemini to make it more formal, shorter, or more friendly. Next, use Gemini for replies. So it can instantly generate responses based on incoming messages. All right, summarize long emails. I mean, this helps you quickly understand what the email is about. And yeah, use Gemini to help manage tasks. It can highlight important emails or suggest follow-ups. So that's how you use Google Gemini in Gmail. Once you start using it, writing and managing emails becomes much faster.